and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Facebook app on Windows 10 or 11. So for that, go to Microsoft Store. You can use this taskbar icon or you can also search for it. I'm going to use this icon. Here click on search and type Facebook. Here click on Facebook icon and now click on get. Give it a minute. And that's it. Facebook app is installed. You can now log in and use your Facebook account. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share videos, ideas and suggestions and comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.